In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a cover photo to Google Docs. Whether you're creating a report, a portfolio, a proposal, or a simple handout, having a strong visual at the beginning can instantly make your document look more polished and professional. We'll keep things simple and straightforward, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up and adjust a cover image so it fits your needs. First, open Google Docs. You can either start with a brand new blank document or open an existing one if you want to add a cover to something you've already written. It often helps to work with a blank page at first. So if your document already has text on the first page, you might want to add a new page at the beginning or move your existing content down to make room for the cover. Once your document is open, place your cursor at the very top of the page. Click on the page so that you see the blinking text cursor in the top left corner. This is important because Google Docs will insert the image wherever that cursor is sitting. If it's in the middle of a paragraph or halfway down the page, that's where your image will appear, and it won't really feel like a proper cover. With the cursor in place, go to the menu bar at the top of the screen and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, hover over or select Image. You'll see several options such as uploading from your computer, searching the web, using Google Drive, and more. Choose the option that makes the most sense for where your image is stored. For example, if you already saved a cover photo on your computer, select the Upload from Computer option and pick the file you want to use. After a moment, your image will appear in the document. By default, it might show up at a smaller size or aligned with text. Now you want to resize the image so it acts as a proper cover. Click once on the image to select it. You'll see small blue squares appear around the edges and corners. These are the handles you'll use to adjust the size. To keep the image looking proportional, click and drag one of the corner handles rather than the side handles. Drag outward to make the image larger until it fills more of the page and looks like a true cover photo. If it becomes too big and spills onto another page, drag it slightly smaller until it fits the way you want. You can also click and drag the image itself to reposition it a little higher or lower on the page. If you'd like your cover photo to stand out even more, you can leave plenty of white space around it for a clean look, or size it so it nearly fills the page for a bold, full cover style. The key is to adjust it until it visually matches the tone of your document. Once you're happy with the size and placement, your cover photo is set. You can click below the image to start typing your title, subtitle, or any other details you want under the cover. And that's all there is to it. You've added and resized a cover photo in Google Docs.